Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Nakita back with another MFing video featuring a Sensationnel wig. If you can tell, I am in love with their wigs. This is the Vice number 6. I got her in the Balayagegold and I got it off Amazon. Another slay under 40 bucks is like $37, y'all. So yes, very soft hair, 36 inches, T-part, 2 combs, as well as the comb in the back. And it also has an elastic band that you can actually clip on that comes with it, or installed on it, I should say. As you can see, I can brush right through it, no tangles. This unit is very soft and it is very, very much giving. I am loving how soft it is and how the waves actually look. It's popping. So now I'm going to go ahead and prep it so that I can go ahead and flat iron her down. I'm spraying bedhead on there to give it just a little bit of a nappier look on my edges. And as you can see now, I'm going through with my flat iron. Going through that flat iron, and the reason I'm doing that is because for some reason those knots were really big, and which can happen with synthetic wigs, so it's not something that's uncommon, but it helps. And as you can see, I went ahead and fixed those knots and it looks like it is coming out my scalp. The lace is HD, so it is a nice thinner lace, I want to say, but it did blend very well. I still had to use makeup and things like that though. Now I'm going to go ahead and install my cap. Now I'm just putting my EBIN spray on my cap on the outside along with some EBIN gel because I want it to hold. I want it to stick. Now I'm installing my wig on my cap, as you can see. And I'm bringing her a little bit forward because I like my wigs a little bit more forward and I like my edges to be covered. It is already giving natural look and I'm loving it. It's looking real good. Now I'm going through with my EBIN spray, making sure that I have glue, or should I say spray, all the way up until the middle. And then I just take my comb and I'm going through my edges because I like my edges to look natural. I don't wear edges per se, so I like everything to look like it's natural. And I'm still going through. Now I'm just making sure to see what parts are lifting and what parts I need to go ahead and attend to. Spray on that end of that rat tail and bring it right on in. Like I said, I like natural looking edges, so that's what I'm trying to achieve here. I had to pluck the other side because it was not giving natural hairline. It still was a little bulkier on one side than the other. So I'm going ahead and I'm plucking it while it's on my head. Be careful when you're doing this. You can pluck out your own hair. But I noticed that the skinnier tweezers, so basically the ones that you use for your eyelashes, work the best. And I'm going through and I'm working on my hairline. Yes, the hairline is giving. It's doing exactly what I wanted it to. And so I'm not speeding up this process because I have been asked, how do I achieve my natural looking hairline, and so I did not want to speed it up. I wanted to show how I actually achieved my natural looking hairline without baby hair. And so now I'm just going through making sure that my part is looking good and down the middle. I don't like my part completely down the middle, because my part is not completely down the middle in my head whenever I part my hair. So I like the way it turned out. Now I'm just going through and I'm making sure that I'm getting my EBIN spray all over the sides so that I can get this tacky and on. I'm taking my rat tail comb, just going through, seeing what parts are lifting and where it is that I need to put adhesive. Working on my sides because that is one of the hardest parts to get tacky. So right here I'm using hot heat while I'm doing this because I want to make sure that it sticks. Now I'm doing the same thing to the other side. Again, this is a very detailed video. Even though it's short, it is very detailed on how to get your edges to look like they are naturally coming out of your head without baby hair. So now I'm just going to continue on making sure that my lace is all the way on there. Excuse my rat tail comb, it broke off during the install. But it does the trick still, so. Going through, making sure them edges are popping for me, okay? Now I'm going through with my comb to get those edges looser because that spray can make your edges a little hard. Blow drying like such. Fixing my edges on the other side. Making sure it's stuck. Making sure I'm getting that natural hairline that I'm looking for. Now my sides did not stick, so we're going through on my sides again with this EBIN spray. As you know, like, for some reason, those sides do not stay, baby. I don't know what it is, but I need them to stay. So I'm just going through making sure I like how it looks. And as you can see, it's giving natural hairline. I'm just making sure that she is all the way on there on those sides. Again, the sides always come off, and that's what I have an issue with all the time. I'm not blow drying, I'm just letting it air dry there. Sometimes blow drying does too much. So now I'm just going through making sure that I don't have hairs that are stuck on my hairline, like making sure my hairline is giving how I want it. And as you can see, it is. Look at that. That is like the bomb hairline. I love this wig, y'all. Now I'm just playing with it. I've already styled her pretty much. Making sure that my sides and my edges are as natural as possible and they're stuck on. I didn't have to tie my hair down this time. Actually, I didn't have time to, so I had to go, y'all. Now I'm just bringing her to the sides because, honey, it is long, 36 inches, almost 40 inches. It's giving. I'm loving it. Yes, that gold is popping with my skin, and I love how they don't put a lot. It's streaked in there. Loving it. Natural in style. Get with me, y'all. I am loving it. Don't forget, if you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe, and check me out every Sunday.